Carlsquare is a technology investment bank. We advise on mergers, acquisitions, so we help people to buy companies or sell companies.
Carlsquare is a Europe-wide corporate finance advisor. We have sector-specific expertise, which we can bring to bear for our clients.
We are focused on M&A, ECM, and equity research. We advise our clients in their transactions and growth. We operate through 6 locations. It's London, Copenhagen, Hamburg, Berlin, Munich, and Stockholm.
We work most for successful growth companies, for market leaders, international companies who have seen great growth and great success over recent years. And then we are the partner to see and help them to find what's best for the next step. That could be to sell the business, could be to take on more funding, merge with another company, or do an IPO. And there we can deliver with the full spectrum of possible alternatives.
We've all built up Carlsquare from scratch, the same as many of our clients have built up their businesses from scratch. And we've made international acquisitions to underpin our growth. This is what our clients value. We have our own transaction experience, and we have the transaction experience of 450 transactions that we worked on. And most importantly, we're entrepreneurs ourselves.
There are various aspects we can bring to the table. The first one is the expertise and the know-how, how to manage, how to run these processes. Selling a company is a complex event, and many of our clients will do it only once in their lifetime. The second aspect is we know the relevant partners, we do have networks, we can access decision makers and establish a level of trust. And the third element is just capacity. It's a very intense time for a company which is trying to sell itself. And usually companies and teams do not have the capacity and resources to just keep up with the hours you need to put into it. And there we can also help and bring trained, skilled and motivated people to the team to make the team bigger and better.
We understand that any transaction is a really important time, but it's also a very, very intense process for our clients. What makes us different is that we bring a level of interest and passion to bear, which makes us absolutely unique.
Carlsquare, over the last 20 years, has advised technology companies and has seen those companies and the markets develop. We know the KPIs, we know the market players, we know what are value drivers for those companies, and therefore we also know what are value drivers for the M&A process in these sectors.
So, there is a lot of material and facts and numbers and documents in the transaction, but at the end, the decision is taken on a very personal level. And this is much more important than tons of data.
For me, Carlsquare would stand for driven, focused, and thorough.
People, excitement, and excellence.
Trust, integrity, and energy.
International, passion, and quality, because that's what counts in the end.